So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to uninstall Zoho Sign from your Zoho CRM account. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here, and after that select profile icon. Now go with access Zoho CRM option. After coming on the home page, you guys will need to select this settings icon right here. Now go with this Zoho option right here. Now scroll down till the last and you guys will see this Zoho sign section around here. Now select its manage button and you guys will get on this page right here. Now select this button right here and just select OK button. And just like that, now you guys have successfully deleted Zoho sign from your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.